Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. I'm gonna back with another video. Hey man, look. So first time I seen this guy, like I think I seen whatever like that. I ain't paying no attention to him. Then I seen him in Kevin Gates stutter music video. I seen a clip of this. Right, the guy stutter. He be stuttering when he talk, but at the same time, man, up whole different story, man. Shout out to the debut. Shout out to the debut. I think it's little Boosie daughter. Make sure I go subscribe and go subscribe. Right, let's hop.
Yo,
What up?
Yo, shit, goddamn. What's poppin'?
What's up, man?
Hey, they got that word, don't be wanna, come out and shit. I don't know what the fuck, be going on. Shit, y'all gotta be, patient a little bit and dissect the, words. I be adding too many, letters on it.
Hold on, bro.
Shit. I'm from Little Rock, Arkansas, so you know we shit. I put spit all on
Hey,
it.
hey, how long you been doing music?
Man, I ain't gonna lie. I found out I could rap when I was like 14. I thought I just stuttered, but I didn't know it could change until I was 14. So
Okay.
I turned up ever since.
So when you rap, you don't stutter?
Yeah, nah. That shit just go away.
Okay, that was up, man. That's what's up.
Yeah.
I'm ready for you, man. I'm ready to hear what you got.
We don't wanna be
Hard to trust these hoes, all these hoes be telling lies. And I don't trust niggas, all these niggas pussy in the sky. And they be switching sides, and niggas telling on they guys. Ooh, no, them niggas ain't my kind. I done watched niggas snake a nigga behind his back, seen it with my eyes. I can't lie, they back door buddy, and they caught him by surprise. But he was smart, so he had made it out and survived. Survival, let's talk about survival. Mama told me, boy, you better watch your partners. Watch them hoes that's in your pocket. Isolate yourself out silence. The type that gon' catch and hold you up just when you fallin'. And when you down on your leg, tell me who you call. My mama, nigga. Every time I'm in that kitchen cooking food, boy, you know I call my mama, nigga. Mama got my first apartment, them bills can't call my mama, nigga. Fuck this shit, I'm coming back. Why you ain't tell me when I moved out? Shit get real and it's expensive. Why you ain't tell me all these friendships come with pensions? And life confusing. Women raising boys and they grow up act like women. Damn, you a boy, man. Put that dog down. I just keep it real, fuck just how you feel. Tryna get a house up on the hill just so I can chill. Fuck a rich meal, bitch, I'm tryna reach a meal. And even though I'm blowing up, little bitch, I'm grinding still. Hard to trust these hoes, all these hoes be telling lies. And I don't trust niggas, all these niggas pussy in disguise. And they be switching sides, and niggas telling on they guys. Ooh, no, them niggas ain't my kind. I done watched niggas snake a nigga behind his back, seen it with my eyes. I can't lie, they back door buddy, and they caught him by surprise. But he was smart, so he had made it out and survived. Survival, let's talk about survival. NGB shit, hold on. NGB Don, NGB Don. That's my artist name. That song is called Ain't My Kind. That was really about me, true story. You know, I keep it real. All that little fake ass shit. I don't be
fuck with none of that.
doing all that. So all artists artists, make sure y'all just keep it real on y'all songs.
100.
I told y'all, nigga. Stutter, hey, it bit was hard though. Video.